Welcome to Ranjit's English. Hope you have answered all the questions. Let us check out the answer keys one by one. Question number 1. Sagacious means wise. Here the answer is option A. Now we are moving on to question number 2. Young one of giraffe. Answer is option C. Calf. C-A-R-F. Calf. Next one. Question number 3. He was too tired to lift the luggage. Here, the structure to denotes a negative sense. So, there is no need to add a negative word like not, neither, etc. Hence, the correct option is C because there is no negative word. Then, the answer becomes he was too tired to lift the luggage. Now we are moving on to question number 4. An expert in the choice of food. Here the answer is option B. Gourmet. G-O-U-R-M-E-T. Here T is silent. Question number 5. Select the correctly spelled word. Answer is option D. Appetite. A-P-P-E-T-I-T-E. Thank you.